Experiencing frustrating loading issues with your PS5 games? One of the most common culprits is corrupted or full cache data. Your PS5 stores temporary data called cache to help games load faster. This includes textures, audio files, and other game assets that are frequently accessed. However, this cache can become corrupted over time, leading to loading problems, crashes, and performance issues. Clearing your system cache is a straightforward process. First, completely power down your PS5 by holding the power button until it shuts off completely. Once it's off, press and hold the power button for about 7 seconds until you hear a second beep. This boots the console into safe mode. In safe mode, you'll see a menu with several options. Select option 5, Clear Cache and Rebuild Database. The rebuild database process will scan your PS5 storage and reorganize data for optimal performance. This may take 15 to 30 minutes, depending on how much data you have stored. It's recommended to perform cache clearing monthly or whenever you notice performance issues. You should also clear cache after major system updates or when experiencing slow loading, crashes, or freezing. Individual games also maintain their own cache files that can cause loading failures. When system-wide cache clearing doesn't work, you may need to clear game-specific cache. Clearing game-specific cache often involves deleting and reinstalling the specific game. Don't worry, your save files should be preserved during this process. Cache clearing is an essential maintenance task for your PS5. Regular system cache clearing through safe mode, combined with game-specific cache management when needed, will help keep your console running smoothly and resolve most loading issues. Save data conflicts between cloud and local storage are a common cause of PS5 loading issues, especially for PlayStation Plus subscribers. When your console and cloud saves don't match, games can fail to load properly. To resolve save data conflicts, first navigate to your PS5 settings menu. Look for the Save Data and Game App Settings option, which manages all your save file storage. In the Save Data settings, you'll see options for both PS5 console storage and cloud storage. PlayStation Plus subscribers have access to cloud saves, which can sometimes conflict with local saves. When you find conflicting save files, delete the older versions and keep the most recent save data. Then sync your remaining saves across both console and cloud storage to prevent future conflicts. Corrupted save data shows specific warning signs. Watch for infinite loading screens, crashes at particular points in games, or error codes. These indicate your save files may be damaged and need attention. If save data issues persist, a complete game reinstallation may be necessary. This is a strategic process that requires careful backup and restoration of your save files. Remember, proper save data management prevents most loading issues. Always back up your saves before making major changes, and sync regularly between cloud and console storage to avoid conflicts.